How to download and install HiTV app on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install HiTV app on your PC or your laptop, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you just need simply go with your search. And here, as we know that we won't be able to install HiTV app because we don't have the Play Store, right? So in order to install that, what you need to do is you need to go with an emulator. For example, I'll just simply go with BlueStacks. Search for BlueStacks. After that, go with www.bluestacks.com. Now here, you will have download BlueStacks option. You just need simply click on download and your application will be downloaded. You will have the file downloaded first, and once you click on the file, it will ask you to install and you need to install. Now after installing your BlueStacks, you just need simply go with your search and search for BlueStacks and you will have your application. So you need to click on it and then open the application. After opening, you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for HiTV. So in my region, HiTV is not available, but if it's available in your region, it will show the application. So just wait for a few seconds. Now once you're here, you just need simply go and search for HiTV. If you don't find it right here, you can also go with search in Google Play and it will take you to the Google Play. And here you need to search for HiTV. Once you've searched, you will have the application. You will have install option on the right side. You will be able to install the application if it's available in your region. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.